Hi, I'm George, and a few months ago I quit my job to fulfill my dream of travelling the world full time.
Hi, I'm Aishwarya. I met George in India in an art gallery, and ever since we are traveling together and having so much fun.
Good morning from our mountain hut by the Himalayas in northern India. We arrived here last night after a 15-hour bus journey. It was from Rishikesh, where we'd been staying for 1 week, and the road to get here was winding mountains. Literally the edge of the road was just straight down a sheer cliff drop, and there was a roadblock where a landslide had blocked some of the road on the way, so it took even longer than expected, but it's definitely worth it now we're here. Landslide just there, so the bus has stopped and we don't know when we're going to be able to go again, so it's so annoying. After we got here, we had to go out to the market because we didn't have any supplies. It was a 20-minute trek up a lot of stairs.
There's an element of culture shock as one explored through different regions of a country. In the northern India, it was the wild weed plants flourishing everywhere along the roadside. In Himachal, it was also the quiet lifestyle of the people. Here, we are buying some wild boar from the local market, which is uncommon anywhere else in India.
Fish.
You want fish?
Fish.
No thank you. This is the local supermarket, so I just need to get a few bits from here quickly. It was about to close, so you have to be fast.
After an exhausting trek in the cold weather, we reached back home and lit fire under the full moon. Each morning we started our day with meditation or yoga in the serene environment of the mountain freshness.
Sometimes I feel like I just wanna go back to my old ways. You're telling me I'm silly, it's no fun. In the old days, I'm such a romantic, I never remember.
We've just finished lunch and now we're going to go out for a nice trek to a really cool meadow and light a fire. I'm going to show you how to build a fire outside. So first, if there's rocks around, you want to build like a stone circle like this to contain it, or if not, you just want to kind of kick across any little bits on the floor, and then you want to find very like dry bits of thin kindling, just put that in the centre, and then some really thin sticks like this, and they can go on top, and then you want to build like a pyramid base around, which I'll show you in a minute. So next step, you want to just build a small stick kind of pyramid base, not too high above it like this, going all the way around. And then what this will do is as the bottom ones burn, these sticks will burn, and then it'll just come up nicely. So you want to leave a little bit open there where you can kind of go in. We're going to light this bit soon, but you want a bit more really dry, small bits of kindling in there. And then we could light that and it should just light up nice.
Prepare as we will watch the flames burn over on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. I see fire. Inside the mountain I see fire.
After you finish the fire, it's really important to make sure you put it out fully. So I've got some water here, I'm just going to around like this. There we go. And that's not going to come back up, that's extinguished.
Most people nowadays say, I have no time. Of course you don't. Because you are not aware of the present. You know, the present is represented on your watch by a hairline that is as thin as possible as is consistent with visibility. And so everybody thinks the present is instead of
I have no record, brighter days. Your light is on me, I can say. I have no parts, I have no lines, but I have you, and you have me, honey.
Flying the drone and it got stuck in a tree, so it's way up there. Don't know how we're going to get it, it's so annoying, a nightmare. Guys helping out climbing the tree. Hero. We managed to get it back. We went and asked down there's a few houses, and this guy like Spider-Man climbed all the way right up and then grabbed it and then carried it down, like absolute hero.